Okay, so we're going to try to do a gameplay demo of Nite Team. We're going to do this bounty here. We're going to try and break into Biotechly. We need to provide the IP of an infected station. We're trying to infiltrate a series of pharmaceutical companies around the world. So all we know is our target name. This is the company's name, Biotechly, and we need to provide the IP of an infected station. Now, since we don't even know the name, any server names or anything in the company, what we're going to have to do is a phishing attack. Send some emails to employees, see if we can get them to open up an infected email so that we can infiltrate that way. So to do that, we're going to use our social engineering toolkit. Social engineering is when you try to get humans to give you information that they're not supposed to give you instead of just normal hacking. So we're going to do spear phishing. First thing we need to do is we need to come up with some email addresses. Well, obviously I don't know the email addresses of everybody at Biotechly, so we're just going to look on the internet and see if we can come up with one. We're going to look around on LinkedIn and see if we can come up with figure out what the format of their email address. So we can tell that the format of their email address is first name dot last name. So we have our email address. Now, what do we want to send them? We want to send them a Microsoft Word, an Adobe Flash Player, an Adobe Acrobat, or a custom DLL. I think a Microsoft Word one is probably the best option. Create a payload. We'll do a reverse shell VPN, the only option we have available at the moment, which if they run it, it'll allow us to VPN into where they are. And then now we need to craft the email template. So what do we want it to look like? So consumer inquiry class action lawsuit, that's bound to get some hits. I don't know if this matters that much, but we're going to put that in there. Enter alias, Robert Jones. Just making up names at this point. It's creating an email. So what we've done is we created a phishing attack. This is going to send it to 458 people at Biotechly. It's going to have an attachment that uses the Microsoft Word RTF buffer overflow to allow us to remotely execute code on their system. Our email template is going to look like a class action lawsuit or customer inquiry. And so let's launch it, and then we'll see what happens. It tells us how many emails it's sent. It tells us, all right, so we've sent out 400 and some emails. Somebody's starting to open them. Somebody's opened the email. Somebody's going to open the file, hopefully. Alright, somebody opened the file. Payload was blocked. So we need to use a different payload, obviously. The payload was not a good one. Let's see what happens with these other people. Lots of people are just choosing not to open it. It's taking a while. We don't have any infected. Some people are opening them, but not. They're opening the email, but not opening the file. Yep, here we go. Let's see what this dude's gonna do. Is this dude gonna be our friend? Oh, come on. Maybe class action lawsuit wasn't the best type of. So estimated if we can get them to open up the file, then pretty good chance the payload is going to be delivered. It can take about 8 minutes for this to run. So it's just a waiting game now to see if anybody's actually going to get it. Now maybe if we had chosen a better set of parameters, it would have ran faster. Alright, so somebody opened up the file, but the payload was blocked. Stupid Norton's antivirus. Always blocking our fun. Now, that's the maximum time. That doesn't mean it's going to be 7 minutes and 30 seconds until somebody... Bingo!
C2 registry initiated.
Alright, we've got access to Norman's thing. So we're just going to write... I'm going to write this down over here. 36.187. Now, according to the bounty, all they wanted was the IP address of Norman's workstation. I think that's all I need to give them. So now we have a name of a company. So Biotechly. So 23.20.36.187. Awesome. So we got 50 reputation with somebody with one of these intel agencies. So that was just a basic bounty mission in here and showed how to use the social engineering toolkit to create a phishing attack. Now in future videos I'll show you different types of bounties. I'm going to show you bounties at first because they don't expose any of the storyline. They just give you a good overview of the tools that you can use in the game. So thanks for watching, and give a comment or a like if you have any suggestions. Thank you.